Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a deep dive into one of the most influential early jet fighters in aviation history, the Lockheed P-80 Shooting Star. This aircraft marked a dramatic shift from the propeller-driven era into the dawn of modern jet-powered flight, and it helped lay the foundation for generations of advanced fighters that came after it. In this script, we'll explore its exterior, interior, performance, safety elements, unique characteristics, historical price, and finally reflect on its impact. The goal is to understand why the P-80 remains such a respected and iconic aircraft even decades after its introduction. The Lockheed P-80 Shooting Star features an exterior design that was strikingly modern for its time. When it first took to the skies in the mid-1940s, the world was still dominated by piston engines and propellers. The P-80 broke this pattern entirely with a clean, streamlined metal fuselage built for pure speed. Its long, slender nose and polished aluminum skin were shaped with aerodynamic efficiency in mind. One of the most recognizable aspects of its design is the straight wing configuration, a signature of early jet fighters before the widespread adoption of swept-wing aerodynamics. These wings were thin and simple but carefully engineered to handle higher speeds than any American fighter before it. The bubble canopy not only provided the pilot with excellent visibility but also added to the futuristic appearance of the aircraft. Every line, curve, and surface of the P-80 was built around one purpose, allowing it to cut through the air faster than any propeller-driven aircraft could. Even today, its design carries a certain elegance, a reminder of when aviation engineers were first learning how to harness the power of the jet age. Inside the cockpit, the P-80 Shooting Star keeps things practical and focused. The interior is straightforward, with analog gauges placed clearly in front of the pilot for quick reading during high-speed operations. Everything is arranged to allow pilots transitioning from propeller aircraft to feel familiar, while also introducing them to the new world of jet performance. The controls are clean, the seat is positioned to give a proper view through the bubble canopy, and the instrumentation is uncluttered. What stands out is the balance between simplicity and functionality. While modern jet cockpits are filled with digital displays and multi-function systems, the P-80 relied on mechanical instruments and pilot intuition, making it an ideal training platform for the early jet era. The performance of the P-80 was its true breakthrough. Powered by the Allison J33 turbojet engine, it delivered speeds that were unbelievable when compared to wartime piston aircraft. The Shooting Star could reach approximately 600 miles per hour, pushing it into a new class of aerial capability. Its acceleration, climb rate, and ability to operate at higher altitudes set it far apart from fighters like the P-51 Mustang and the P-47 Thunderbolt. These performance advantages came at a crucial moment in aviation history. Although it arrived too late to significantly influence World War II, the P-80 played an important role in the early years of the Korean War. It served both as a fighter and as a jet conversion trainer, preparing pilots for even more advanced aircraft like the F-86 Sabre. Its stability, responsiveness, and reliable jet engine made it easier for pilots to adapt to the unique characteristics of jet flight. The aircraft signaled the beginning of a new era where speed and altitude would dominate dogfighting and combat strategies. Safety for pilots was an essential part of the P-80's design. The aircraft featured self-sealing fuel tanks that reduced fire risk during combat, a key advancement carried over from the lessons of World War II. Its improved hydraulic systems added better reliability, helping pilots maintain control even under demanding conditions. The bubble canopy offered enhanced visibility, which was not only useful for combat situations but also improved pilot awareness and reduced accidents. The structural integrity of the airframe was carefully considered, ensuring that it could withstand the stresses of high-speed flight, sharp maneuvers, and rapid altitude changes. What makes the Lockheed P-80 Shooting Star uniquely special is how it connected two eras of aviation. It was one of the first operational jet fighters in the United States, becoming a symbol of technological progress. It served as the stepping stone that allowed pilots and engineers to transition from prop-driven fighters to fully modern jets. Its reliability, speed, simplicity, and innovative design made it a perfect platform for learning, testing, and evolving jet tactics. Without the P-80, many of the advanced fighters that defined the 1950s and 1960s might not have developed as quickly or successfully. When it comes to cost, the P-80 was priced at around $110,000 to $125,000 United States dollars during the 1940s. At the time, this was an enormous amount of money. Adjusted for inflation, it would be equivalent to several $1 million today. Despite its high cost, It was considered a necessary investment as the U.S. military recognized the future potential of jet-powered aviation. In conclusion, the Lockheed P-80 Shooting Star remains one of the most significant aircraft in the history of military aviation. Its sleek exterior, simple but functional cockpit, powerful jet performance, and improved safety features helped push aviation into a new era. It served as a crucial learning platform for pilots and engineers and paved the way for the evolution of advanced jet fighters. The P-80 was more than just a machine, it was a symbol of innovation, courage, and technological progress that forever changed the skies.